Hey there everyone, Saksham here, and today I'm going to discuss about my VS Code extension which I have built from scratch, and this extension's name is WatchDog. And let's discuss about this thing first, then I will demonstrate it, like how this extension works. And like okay, I have named this extension as WatchDog. WatchDog is basically a Studio Code extension to observe and see changes happened in a particular file, right? Like it will observe a particular file and will notify a user if some changes happened in that particular file. Apart from that, there are much more features like a notification when will appear on the bottom. This notification is nothing but a VS Code extensions notification, right? And apart from that, I tried to clone the live server VS Code extension in this particular project. Like a user does not need to reload browser preview or something like browser to see changes happened in a particular HTML preview. Apart from that, what user can do, a user can create an HTML file, can save it, and it will automatically change the preview of that particular HTML file. How this thing works, I will explain in the next section. Uh, Apart from that, this extension will provide the facility to see live changes in the preview of any HTML web page UI. So let's get started. What I would like to tell. Okay, so this is my project source code. I will provide this source code in the description box, the GitHub link for this project. Okay, so uh, apart from this source code, I have published this extension to a marketplace. You can check it out. Like I have named this extension as Watchdog, and yeah, this is my extension. So right now, nothing fancy and nothing more. A simple extension, and this is the icon of my VS. You can install it. You can use it if you want, or you can create your own if you want. Right. So let's run the demonstration. So I will press F5 to run this extension. This will open a new Visual Studio Code window for me, right? I guess. Okay. So as you can see, this has opened a new Visual Studio Code window for me. Now, uh, okay, I will open a file. I will open a file for the HTML preview, right? Okay, index.html file and open it. Okay. Now, as you can see, there are some text I have written over here. Let's save it and let's run this by pressing Ctrl Shift P and run this extension Watchdog. And as you can see, this is uh, showing the preview of that particular HTML. Now let's edit this HTMLs and let's see the output side by side. So let me open one more window and open a file in that window. Okay, I will again open the same HTML file index.html. Okay, now let's open it side by side. Let's minimize this and let's open this index.html. Let's move it to the right side, right? And yeah, okay. Now let's remove, let's change it to paragraph 1. Okay, and let's save it, Control S. And now you will see that this will automatically load. Okay, and you can see the file has been changed. This is what I was telling about, like this is something like an observer, right? Now let's change it again. Now let's add something more. H3 saksham, and let's style this thing. Style equal to uh, color green, and cursor pointer. Let's save it again. This will automatically reload my live server for me, and as you can see, I can see the changes happen in that and you can, as you can see that change, I have changed this particular file. So this file change notification has popped up from the bottom, right? So that's how you can change and edit your HTML, and you don't need to reload your browser again and again. Like, let me copy and paste this two more times, and let's save it. And you can see, like, this is coming 6 times, right? So that's how these things work. You can create your own Visual Studio Code extension. uh, I will provide the link of this particular extension, the source code for this particular extension, in the comment section. And this is my GitHub repository where I have posted the code for this particular extension, and how you can create your own extension, how you can build the, I have provided the installation guideline as well. So that's all from my side. Thanks a lot.